Chào cả nhà, hello guys. I am Nina Chanley. Welcome to So Sim Yum Kitchen. This is where I prepare food that touches my family soul. It's simple to make and yummy to eat. Today, I'm going to share with you how to make my family favorite savory pie. It is called Pâtesô. In Vietnamese, we call it Bánh Pâtesô. Pâtesô is a delectable French-inspired Vietnamese meat pie made of flaky puff pastry stuffed with a savory filling of ground pork, pate, and sauteed onions. On days that I don't want to bribe the kids to eat, I would make this yummy in my tummy treats for breakfast, lunch, snack, and dinner. These beautiful meat pies are the perfect size for parties' appetizer as well. I have tested countless Pâtesô recipes in my 20+ years of cooking, and I finally satisfied with the result about 10 years ago. This recipe has received many compliments from my family, friends, co-workers, and neighbors. Anyhow, Christmas is coming soon, and if you make this for the next gathering, I promise you that this savory meat pie will be loved among the crowd. Now let's get started. Here are the ingredients for Pâtesô. For the dough, we will need puff pastry. Here, I'm using Checky Best puff pastry. We can also use Pepperidge Farm puff pastry or Trader Joe puff pastry if Checky Best puff pastry is not available in your area. We will need ground pork, ground chicken, or ground beef. Here, I'm using ground pork shoulders. For pate, we can use any type of pate. However, I often use this Hannaf pork liver pate imported from France or this flour pork liver pate imported from Canada. As for vegetable, we only need onion. Since Pâtesô is a French-inspired meat pie, I would like to keep the seasonings as simple as possible with one exception to Vietnamese fish sauce. Here, we will need chicken powder or shiitake mushroom seasoning, sugar, pepper, extra virgin olive oil, and 3 crabs fish sauce. Last but not least, we will need eggs and unsalted butter. I have used a few brands of puff pastry, and Checky Best puff pastry has given me the best result with the most flaky layers and quite user-friendly. Each box has 9 seats, and each seat is 10 inches by 15 inches flat like this. If you live in California, this box can be purchased at Smart and Final for about $20. I like to use this flexible cutting boards for templates in my cookings. Here, I already prepare a template with a width of 2.5 inches. Later on, we will be using this to cut the puff pastries into 2.5 inches by 2.5 inches square. I bought this roll of parchment paper at Costco. I like to use parchment paper for even baking and easy cleaning for most of my baking needs. For basting pastries, I like to use the pastry brush. I bought this at Target. For cutting the puff pastries, I like to use this pizza cutting. Last but not least, I like to use this small ice cream scoop to portion my meat pie filling, or a tablespoon can be used as well. I like to saute these diced onions before adding them into the meat and pate fillings. The lightly caramelized onions add both wonderful flavor and amazing aroma to the Pâtesô filling. In the meantime, let's melt half stick or 4 tablespoons of unsalted butter on a medium stove over low heat. It takes about 3 to 5 minutes for the puff pastries to become flexible. Thin dough should be cold and not frozen, where the temperature is approximately 48 Fahrenheit to 55 Fahrenheit. So thaw one sheet of puff pastry at a time. I only make square pâtesôs because I don't like to waste any pastry dough. However, I will make a few round ones for you guys to get some ideas. You will need two cutters. The big one has a diameter of 2.5 inches and the small one has a diameter of 2 inches. The smaller cutter is used to seal the pastry. You can also use a fork to seal the edges similar to the square ones. Did you hear the crunch? Crispy. So good. Look at all these layers. Amazing. The filling is so moist, so tasty. The aroma is so amazing. Crispy on the outside, flaky in the inside, and moist in the filling.
You did it. Anyway, for the leftover, I normally store them in a container like this, and then cover it and put them in the refrigerator. They will stay good in the refrigerator for a week. Well, I don't know if it will last more than a week because my family normally finish all of this within a week. Whenever we eat them, we just reheat it using the toaster oven. Set it at 250 for about 5 to 10 minutes. So depending on your oven. Doesn't matter if it's 2 days later or 3 days or even 7 days later, it will stay flaky, crispy, and moist for you. Okay, good luck everyone.
I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please subscribe to my channel, ring the notification bell, give this video a thumbs up, and leave a comment down below. Thank you so much for watching and happy cooking for your loved one. See you guys next time. Chào cả nhà nha.